Tom's Hardware and Tech Radar, along with other independent test labs, spent hundreds of hours testing this year's 3D printers, and their results point to 6 machines that stand above everything else in 2026. One of them costs under $450, yet reviewers confirmed it gives you roughly 90% of the experience of a printer that costs almost double. Another one swaps colors in 10 to 12 seconds, while most machines waste 90 seconds in a pile of plastic every single change. Stay with me, because I'll also name one famous printer that everyone still recommends, but is genuinely a bad buy in 2026, plus a 60-second secret tip that stops most buyers from wasting hundreds of dollars. All product links are in the description below. Starting at number 6, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. And if you're brand new to 3D printing, this is where the confusion ends. Tom's Hardware calls it their favorite recommendation for first-timers, and Tech Radar gave it a full 5 stars. The reason is simple. This machine removes every single step that makes beginners quit. There's no manual bed leveling, no Z offset tuning, no midnight forum searching. You take it out of the box, and in about 20 minutes, it calibrates itself completely and starts printing. It prints at up to 500 millimeters per second, with active motor noise cancellation, keeping it at roughly 48 decibels, about the sound of a quiet library. That means it can run overnight in the next room, and you won't hear a thing. Pair it with the AMS light unit, and it prints in 4 colors automatically, and the built-in camera records time-lapse videos of every print you can share instantly. Now, the honest limits. The build volume is 180 millimeters cubed, so a standard water bottle is too tall, and it's open frame, which means PLA, PETG, and TPU are your materials, no ABS or ASO. Reviewers also praise the tool-free quick swap hot end. Changing a nozzle takes about 15 seconds instead of 15 minutes of wrenching. But here's the number that matters. The standalone unit lists at $249 and regularly drops to around $199 to $219 during Bambu's frequent sales, with the full color combo near $399. 5 years ago, this level of reliability cost 4 times as much. For students, parents buying for teenagers, or anyone testing whether this hobby sticks, nothing else at this price comes close. At number 5, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo, and this is the one that made reviewers double-check the price tag. 4-color printing, a fully enclosed chamber, CoreXY motion, and a hardened steel nozzle that reaches 350 degrees Celsius for carbon fiber filaments, all for $449. Voxel Matters called it, by far, the most cost-effective enclosed desktop multicolor printer ever made. And Tom's Hardware confirmed it, printed polycarbonate and PAHT carbon fiber beautifully with zero warping, even without active chamber heating. The Canvas multicolor system holds 4 spools with RFID recognition, and in Hackster's testing it swapped filaments quickly and reliably. They even noted the motors feel stronger than Bambu's AMS. In MSN's extended testing, a large 4-color print with hundreds of filament swaps completed without a single error. Trade-offs? You'll spend about 15 minutes on assembly. Third-party filament needs manual profile selection, and TPU requires a workaround part. It also caps at 4 materials with no expansion, but one tested comparison summed it up perfectly. This machine gives you roughly 90% of the Bambu P2S experience for around 55% of the money. It also runs fully offline over LAN or USB with no cloud account required, which privacy-focused buyers will appreciate. If your budget stops at $500 and you want enclosed, multicolor, engineering-capable printing, this is the value king of 2026, and it's not particularly close. Number 4 is the Snapmaker U1, the most funded 3D printer in Kickstarter history at over $20 million. And after independent testing, we know why. This is a true tool changer, 4 separate print heads, each with its own nozzle and filament path. While Bambu-style systems reel filament back and forth for around 90 seconds per color change and purge plastic every time, Tom's Hardware measured the U1 swapping colors in just 10 to 12 seconds with almost zero waste. Their real-world result is stunning. A plate of 3 color figures with 90 color swaps finished 3 hours faster than on a comparable Bambu machine, producing only a tiny 4-gram prime tower instead of a pile of purged filament. And because each head heats independently, you can combine completely different materials in one print. PLA with PETG supports, or even TPU alongside ABS, something single nozzle systems genuinely struggle with. In one tested 3-color spider print, a Bambu setup added 2.5 hours of swap time, while the U1 added only 24 minutes. The build volume is a generous 270 millimeters cubed. It runs open source Clipper firmware with Orca Slicer support, and it's now in general retail around $899 to $999. For comparison, the Prusa XL with similar tool-changing architecture costs over $2,299. One quick note, the base machine is semi-enclosed, so for ABS and other high-temp materials, plan on the affordable optional top cover. For everything else, it's ready on day one. And if you print multicolor regularly, the time and filament savings alone can justify this machine within a year. Before we hit the top three, here's the 60-second tip I promised. The one question that instantly cuts your options in half. Ask yourself, will I ever print ABS, ASA, or nylon? If yes, only consider enclosed printers, full stop. If no, stop paying for enclosures you'll never use. And second, if multicolor interests you even slightly, buy the combo version on day one. Adding the color system later almost always costs $100 to $150 more than buying it bundled. Those two decisions alone save more money than any coupon code ever will. At number 3, the Creality K2 Plus Combo, the size monster of this list. While the standard in this class is 256 millimeters, this machine has a massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume. Do the math, and that's roughly 2.5 times the total build space of a Bambu X1 Carbon. Enough for full cosplay helmets in one piece, no splitting, no gluing seams. Tom's Hardware tested it and called the results delightful, highlighting its actively heated chamber. A genuine rarity at this price, which keeps ABS and nylon flat and warp-free. It reaches 600 millimeters per second, uses closed-loop servo motors instead of basic steppers, carries dual AI cameras that watch for print failures, and the included CFS color system expands to 16 filaments across 4 modules. TechRadar's workshop testing concluded it's well-built, packed with features, and produces outstanding prints. The die-cast aluminum frame keeps it rigid at high speeds, and the toolbox even includes grease for rail maintenance. Nothing extra to buy for months. One thing to know, this machine rewards makers who've printed before. Layer depths analysis of over 560 buyer reviews shows experienced users rating it as a genuine production workhorse, while its software is slightly less polished than Bambu's, so complete first-timers should start smaller and grow into it. The combo lists around $1,499, though Creality's 2026 summer sale has pushed bundles well below that. If you need big, hot, and multicolor, nothing else at this price combines all three. Now, the printer I promised to expose, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Yes, seriously, it was legendary, and thousands of videos still recommend it. But in 2026, it sits around $1,199 for the combo, while independent testing shows the newer P2S prints within about 8% of its speed on identical files, with a newer extruder, better cooling, and a $400 lower price. The X1C isn't a bad machine, it's simply a bad deal now. Don't pay 2023 flagship prices for yesterday's hardware. Number 2 is the Bambu Lab H2D, and this is the machine for people whose hobby quietly became a business. 2 independent nozzles on one print head, a 350 by 320 by 325 millimeter build volume, a 65-degree actively heated chamber, and 350-degree nozzles for serious engineering filaments. Tom's Hardware named it a worthy successor to the X1 Carbon, and admitted the dual nozzles are hands down their favorite upgrade, because 2 nozzles means printing 2 materials with almost no purge waste. PLA with dissolvable supports, TPU combined with rigid plastic. One nozzle prints, while the other waits, fully heated. Then there's the part no other printer on this list can touch. Optional 10-watt and 40-watt laser modules, plus a drag knife cutting module and pen plotter. One machine that prints a product, laser engraves the branding, and cuts the vinyl packaging label, with a bird's eye camera aligning everything to 0.3 millimeters automatically. Reviewers describe it as a direct shot at Cricut and Glowforge for professional crafters and Etsy sellers. 15 sensors track filament flow, tension, and pressure across the entire path, catching clogs before they ruin an overnight print. The price reflects the ambition. $1,899 for the base printer, $2,199 for the AMS combo, and up to $3,499 for the full 40-watt laser package. It weighs 31 kilograms and has a real learning curve. If you only print decorative PLA, this is overkill. But if you sell what you make, the H2D replaces 3 separate machines and pays for itself in workflow alone. And number 1, the best 3D printer of 2026 for most people, the Bambu Lab P2S Combo. Here's why every major reviewer landed in the same place. Tom's Hardware says it maintains exceptional speed, quality, and ease of use, calling it an excellent first printer for a newbie, or the 10th printer for a print farm. Hackster named it their new go-to mid-range recommendation. This is the successor to the best-selling P1S, and testing shows real print times land within about 8% of the former flagship X1 Carbon, at a fraction of the cost. You get a fully enclosed CoreXY body, 600 millimeters per second top speed, a new servo-driven extruder with roughly 70% more extrusion force, a proper 5-inch touchscreen, AI failure detection, and clever adaptive airflow that pulls in cool outside air for perfect PLA, even with the door closed, then switches to internal circulation for ABS and ASA. The combo includes the AMS2 Pro 4-color system, which also actively dries your filament. Moisture ruins more prints than any other single factor, and this quietly solves it. The combo is $799, and some authorized US retailers have listed it as low as $699 in July 2026. Enclosed, 4 colors, filament drying, near flagship quality, and Bambu's famously smooth software. No other machine at any price balances cost, capability, and day one reliability like this one in 2026. That's why it's number one. So here's your 30-second decision map. Under $250 and just starting, A1 Mini. Best value under $500, Centauri Carbon 2 Combo. Heavy multicolor printing, Snapmaker U1. Huge prints with engineering materials, K2 Plus Combo. Running a real business, H2D, and for most people watching this video, the P2S Combo is the smartest money in 3D printing right now. All links with current prices are in the description. Prices move fast in 2026, so check them today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.